controlled. Aim it through the sight at your target.
Okay.
Lean forward into it. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Slowly squeeze the trigger. You gotta take the weapon off safe first.
Okay.
Slowly squeeze the trigger.
Is
Ready?
it gonna kick back?
It'll kick back, yeah. Not that bad though.
It's gonna more than kick.
There you go.
Okay.
Alright.
That's basically what it'll do.
That's all it's gonna
That's all it's going to do. Alright. Get in your shooting position.
Back in your shoulders.
Bring this forward and lean into it, okay?
That?
Yep, just like that.
Okay.
Your first
Around.
Okay.
started around 45.
Weapon is now on safe. Fire, take the weapon off safe and then pull the trigger. Ready? 50's hot!